Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I know it's been a minute since I posted and I'm sorry once again, but we're back with another video, and what better way than to start off December with obviously a cute little Christmas look that I have going on for you guys. We're just gonna go ahead and do this cute little makeup look, this cute little eyeshadow look. It's obviously gonna be kind of like an in-depth tutorial for you guys. For anybody that's wanting just like a nice pretty pink going out eyeshadow look, you can easily go out and not do the snowflakes. Like if the snowflakes is too much, you can just go ahead and follow the steps to do the pink eyeshadow look, and I promise you it's gonna look bomb. So yeah, before we get into the video though guys, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok guys. We are so close to 132k followers guys, 132k. So make sure you guys please go ahead and follow me on my TikTok. Go follow me on my Instagram. On Facebook we just hit 21k I believe. Yeah, so make sure you guys follow me on there too. I try to go live every other day, hopefully every day for you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to see my more in-depth videos every day, because on here I'll probably only be posting about 1 to 2 times a week. So if you guys are wanting to see me more on day to day, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Now with further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. I decided to do my eyebrows and cleaning them up off camera. If you guys want to see that, make sure you guys are following me like I said on all my social media platforms. You guys see a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of makeup tricks and tips that I do, so make sure you guys are following me on there. One thing I like to do though is go in with a brush to first go in. Sorry if I'm looking down right here guys. Okay, I have my little mirror right here, and then we're gonna go in with our sponge just to go ahead and smooth everything out. This sponge right here is from Lorella. Y'all, this sponge is really good. So now we're just gonna go ahead and clean that up. I'm not too worried about that. We, you know, always fix this when we do our makeup, but so it doesn't look like we have our unibrow. Let's go ahead and fix it now. I highly recommend this lip mask guys. I put this on every time. Well, I try to put it on almost every time I do my makeup. If not, I'll put on a lip gloss, but this stuff is really good. You guys definitely need to go check it out. I also just got my lips done, so my lips are like extra dry. Look at all that beautiful bruising. And I go back this Monday. I'm excited to get more lip to wear. Going in with these stickers right here guys. Listen, if you have trouble with cut creases, any type of cut crease, half cut crease, full cut crease, guys, these stickers right here are definitely gonna help you out. I promise you. These are by Crown Array Cosmetics. You guys, please go look into them. This is how they look. They come on sheets. Now these ones right here are the full cut crease. So these are the full cut crease stickers, as you can see. So literally the cut crease is going to be from right here all the way to right here. They do have the half cut crease where it's only from like right here to right here. So whichever ones you want, go get. But I am going to be doing the full cut crease ones today. So again, all you're going to need is a pair of tweezers to help you apply them. We're going to go ahead and take one off first. And we're literally just going to place it like that. Look at how fun. Get a small mirror. And I like to first start like right here. And then from there, I like to tweak this down a bit, because I don't want my cut crease obviously going to my eyebrow. So I'm going to go ahead and tweak it down just a little bit. At least like right there. And then I'll just go ahead and press it up against my skin pretty good. Like so. Okay, so we have both of them on. Try to make them as even as you can. I know sometimes it's going to be hard because I feel like one of my eyebrows is a bit higher than the other. So just try your best. Remember that once we take it off, I do like to go ahead and clean it up. So you can always go back in and clean it up when you're done. Going in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette right here. This is the volume 2. I think I'm going to be going in with this hot pink for sure. And then possibly these two pinks. I'll let you guys know exactly what we're going for. To start the look off, we're going to go in with a small flat looking brush like this, just so we can really pick up that dark pink and place it right in there. We're going to start off with our darkest color, moving our way up to our lightest shade. So we're going to go in with shade Dance Party first. Really pretty. Look at how pretty that is. That's a really pretty pink. I'm going to go ahead and start by placing it right along there. I do not mind about the fallout, guys. I'm not worried about the fallout. That's why I haven't done my foundation or anything yet. So if there's any fallout, I am totally fine with it. And if there's anything right here, I'm totally fine with that too, because like I said, I am going to go in and clean all that up once I take this piece of tape off. So right now, all I'm focusing on is really just getting that color right where I want it. Just really packing that color in, getting it as vibrant as I can. I'm thinking of adding some snowflakes. What do we think? Should we add some snowflakes? I think yes. Look at how pretty that is. Going in with a flat, dense brush like this, we're now going to go in with the shade Tipsy Girl. She's a really pretty, vibrant pink. And what I'm going to do is focus on putting it halfway on that dark shadow and halfway above it. So that's going to really help get our little blend there. I really want this shadow look to look as pink as possible. Look at that blend already. Now we're going to go ahead and switch our palettes out, and we're going to go in with this one from Lorella, and we're going to go in with this light pink right here on a little fluffy brush like this. We're just going to go ahead and pick up a little bit of that shade, which is called Vacation, and we're going to go ahead and really focus on blending out that second shade with this third shade that we're putting on. You could do circular motions. And look at that blend compared to this one. Wow. We're going to pick up a little bit and we're going to go ahead and blend right here in the front part too. Because we want to blend obviously all of it, not just that side. Look at how gorgeous, guys. This is going to look so cute. Now if you're wanting to, which I always do, I always go back in with that first shade with the same brush. And I'll just go back in and darken that first shade up just a tad bit. Just because I really want that dark shade to really peek through. Now for the moments of truth and fun. I love taking off the sticker part. I love it. Obsessed. Of course I'm going to have to go back in and clean up just a little bit. But hey, listen. If you're not good at cut creases, this is perfect for you. Now that we have our stickers off, I'm going to go in with some more e.l.f. concealer, and we're just going to go ahead and place that right up there. And we're just going to clean up as best as we can, just so that both sides look as twin as possible. Going up with a flat brush, we're just going to go ahead, again guys, just clean up. Like, look at that, just already. Oh my god. I love going in with concealer. Plus, I also like going in with concealer or something to clean up, just so that whatever I apply right there sticks on nicely. Going in with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to go ahead and flatten out that concealer that I put on. This is going to be a perfect base, like I said, guys, for our eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this palette right here from Drama B. There is a beautiful shadow in this palette, guys. This one right here. Look at how gorgeous. Let me swatch it for y'all. Look at how pretty that is. Super pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all over the lid. And I'm just going to go in with a flat brush for this one and literally just dab that on. We're going to go in with this palette now. We're going to go in and add a pink liner along our cut crease. And then with white, we're going to go in and add some snowflakes. These are water activated. Palettes right here do come with a brush, really thin brush. So you're going to go ahead and dip your brush in some water, mix it on the pigment, and then apply. We have our brush all packed on with pink. I'm going to go ahead and start on the outer side of my cut crease. Look at how pretty. Pick some more up. Look at how cute that is. Going with a little bit more right here. Now, if you have a shaky hand like me, I have a really bad shaky hand. I like to rest my pinky on my face and then I'll go in and just draw. So resting your hand on your face definitely helps. We have our pink all on. Look at how gorgeous, guys. I didn't even tell you what palette this is. This is the Suva Beauty. That's the brand Suva Beauty. And this is the UV Tappies. They do have different colors for different like colorways, but this is the one that I'm using right now. And I went in with this pink. And again, these are water activated. I love these kind of palettes because if you have kids, these will not get messed up like your regular eyeshadow palettes. Now with the eyeshadow just like this, you can easily throw on a nice little liner, some lashes, and head to any Christmas party like this. But we're gonna go ahead and ump it up just a little bit just by adding a few snowflakes along the cut crease. So we're gonna go in with the Cristal Cosmetics water paint. She did come out with this around Halloween, so if they're still up, go and grab while you can. And I'm using the Suva Beauty brush. So let's go ahead and make some little snowflakes. We're gonna go ahead and start with an X. And then a T. And now you can go ahead and add like some little lines across it just so it looks more realistic. We're gonna go over it to make it more white. And now we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, draw little V's. I'm gonna go ahead and probably draw like 3 more and then I'll be back so we can add some little dots. Look at how cute! We're gonna go in with the same brush. We're getting more of that white water paint and we're just gonna add some dots around it just to make it look like snow almost. So make some big dots, make some small dots. That is so damn cute. Look at how adorable that came out, guys. I decided to add like a half snowflake right in the center. So dang cute. I'm obsessed with this look. I would honestly wear this out, like with the snowflakes, with it all. With that being said though, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face application off camera. Just because I feel like you guys have already seen that like a million times. And then I'll be back so we can go ahead and figure out what we're gonna do right here and then our bottom shadow and our lippy. Just finished the rest of my makeup. We're gonna go ahead and start with the bottom eyeshadow, and I'm pretty much just gonna go in with the same shades that I used for the top on the bottom. So I'm gonna go in with that dark pink, that medium pink, and then that light pink. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in like a fast forward mode. That dark shade, guys, we're keeping it super close to our waterline. Now going in with that second shade, Tipsy Girl. Now going in with that light shade, and we're just gonna go ahead and go in there and just blend it downwards a bit. I learned this trick right here from Jaclyn Hill. She loves her shadow to kind of almost like touch her blush. Not literally, but like almost like touch her blush, and I love it. I used to put my eyeshadow super close to my waterline and just leave it like that, but I felt like the more I dragged it down a little bit, just the more my eyes looked bigger, the more the eyeshadow popped. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Just a little bit. And look at how cute, like look at the difference that just makes. I'm live right now on Facebook. My Facebook fam says hi to YouTube. Going in with the pink that I did for my cut crease, we're just gonna go in and make a liner, pretty much a wing with it. Going in with this eyeliner right here from Beauty Creations in Dreamtopia, I'm gonna go ahead and run this along my waterline. I already did it to my other eye and it just definitely helps the shadow pop a bit more. This look is everything. I also went in with a little bit of the Anastasia loose highlight and snowflake and added it right in the inner corner of my eyes. Super cute. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add some mascara. I'm gonna be using the mascara from Beauty Creations, the lengthening one. I went in with these lashes real quick from Makeup by Jess in Aquarius. They are so fluffy and I like that cat eye look that they give. Highly recommend you guys check her out for some bomb lashes. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Be Bella X Must Be Cindy collab that they just recently did this year. So yeah, you guys will probably just see how I did that in like fast forward or something. I'm gonna go in with my lip liner first, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go side to side. Now going in with the lipstick. This lipstick is really nice. It's like a nice soft pink nude. Just gonna go ahead and apply that. My lips still feel a little bruised. And I am gonna add some gloss because I love gloss. For my lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with the Baddie B lip gloss. This one right here is in Bombshell. It has a nice light pink tone to it. So this should up this pink lip a little bit. And what's cool about these glosses is they are so pigmented that honestly you do not need to put a lipstick underneath. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw on this wig. Look at how cute she is. Isn't she freaking adorable? She's short, she has bangs. So these kind of wigs, guys, the ones with the fringes with the bangs, you could easily just pop it on, walk out the door. There's no gluing, no fixing. Honestly, you don't have to because the fringe just kind of helps hide your hairline. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw on the wig, and then I will be back to show you guys the final look. And that is it for today's look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Again, if you're not wanting to do the snowflakes, you want to just go out with some cute pink eyeshadow, then this look is going to be perfect for you. Let me know down below how you guys like this look. Let me also know what other kind of Christmas looks you guys are wanting. Red lips, green eye looks, black, silver, golds. Whatever you guys are thinking for Christmas, let me know and I will try my best to get those out for you. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Again, please make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my other social medias. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!